Are you in Nigeria and looking for ways to make money online? In this video, I'll show you 5 simple ways to earn using AI, even if you're a beginner. Welcome to WealthForge Africa, where we teach you how to make money online using simple tools and AI. 1. Freelance writing. You can do freelance writing using AI tools like chatgpt. Businesses pay for articles, emails, and blog posts. 2. Graphic design. You can create simple graphic designs for social media and businesses using AI-powered tools. 3. YouTube automation. You can start a YouTube channel without showing your face, using AI for scripts, voice, and editing. 4. Social media management. You can manage social media pages for businesses and get paid monthly. 5. Affiliate marketing. You can do affiliate marketing by promoting products and earning commissions. If you found this helpful, like this video and subscribe for more ways to make money online.